Hello guys, welcome to my educational channel. Today we discuss how to open new Excel worksheet. There are three ways to open an Excel worksheet. If we don't have any file location to save our work document, then we have to create new file location to save our work document. Create new folder, rename and open. Let's we see first way to open new Excel worksheet. Using mouse, right click and select Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then you can change the name according to your work. The name you given is very important to search your saved file. Now you can see your new Excel worksheet. Okay, let's start working. If you need more pages to work, click here. Otherwise you want to delete this sheet, right click and delete. Let's we move to the second way to start new Microsoft Excel worksheet. Using keyboard, press Ctrl with N. This way is very easy to use if you are working in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Our new worksheet is not saved. Go to File, select Save As and select file location to save. Give the name relevant to your work. Finally, save your document. Let's we move to the step 3. Go to File, New and select your new Excel worksheet. Click to open. Now you can see your new Excel worksheet. Go to File, select Save As, choose your file location and save your new Microsoft Word document. Thank you for watching video on my education and help others to be a better world. Good luck.